Hello viewers, welcome back to Maped Adventures. Hopefully your festive season is going quite well.
And in this festive season, we have gifted ourselves a
new microphone.
For a while, we have been very much concerned about our audio quality, the audio quality of our videos. We always try very hard to make our video up to the mark, and so to get rid of all the extra noise and to enhance our audio quality, we have bought ourselves a new microphone. So let us see how it works, and most probably it can remove all the noise.
Let's see, and we'll try the microphone, we'll try the previous microphones as well, and we'll see how this one, the new microphone, performs. So let us see what is inside. Okay, let us start. Happy birthday to Maped Adventures. क्या चाकू है, काटा भी नहीं है या ओह कैसे काटेगा, यहाँ पे तो ये है। अच्छा इसको पिन मारा हुआ है। ये पैकेट थोड़ा बारिश में भीग के थोड़ा सा डैम्प हो गया। Hopefully the material inside is intact. Right, this is the inner product. The Zizuka condenser microphone with V8 audio mixer set. Hopefully it is a good piece, means it performs well. The price printed here is not the price that we have paid. We have got it in a discounted rate. So here is the
Awesome, yeah.
This is not the mic actually, it is a net for the mic. Okay, so this is used to cover the wind that comes directly from the mouth so that there is no hissing sound. Then below this layer we have the actual components. Here we have a frequency response graph. It is looks like some sort of manual. Okay, one manual, and then we have the user manual. This is the user manual. Okay, and we have the warranty card. So the warranty card, since we have bought it online, the warranty card is pretty filled up. Look at the components. This is one cable, connects the mic to the 3.5 inch, a 3.5 mm connector. Okay, then we have another cable, a set of cables. These cables, this is micro USB to 3.5 mm TRRS connector, and then we have another micro USB to 3.5 mm TRRS connector. Then we have USB, micro USB adapter, and there is a clamp. चाकू कहाँ रख दिया? Okay. This is the clamp which we use to clamp the microphone to a table or a desk or to any rigid support. So we will use this clamp, we will show how it is connected, and then we have the stand. We have the stand for the microphone. This is the stand, spring loaded, as you can see. Okay, so let's see how it gets connected, and then there is another component. This is for the screen. This is for the microphone. फोटो देख के लगाना पड़ेगा, हमको भी मालूम नहीं है कौन सा कहाँ लगेगा अभी. And now this is the sound card. The sound card. There are some controls. Probably we are not going to use all of these controls. And the connections are on this side. We have a connection for a dynamic mic, half-inch jack, and the condenser mic. Then we have a connection for the headset, earphone or speaker. These should be output ports, and these also should be output ports, laptop or charging, and then background track, mobile 1 and mobile 2. So we will be connecting all these components. So let us see the last thing. This is the most important part. There is the microphone. This is the microphone.
Wow.
Okay, so hopefully this cover goes on, this sponge goes on to this microphone like this. Yeah, this is done. Okay, now I need a stand before connecting. So this is how the microphone looks after setup. The microphone's output goes to the sound card, and from the sound card it goes to the laptop. Okay, so it connects to the laptop through a USB connection. Alright, so in this part of the video, we will be testing the audio qualities of the mics that we've been using previously, as well as the newly purchased BM800 condenser microphone. So what you are hearing now is from the internal microphones of the laptop, and now we switch on to the external mic. Okay, the external mic, or this clip mic, this clip lavalier mic that we have been using since the beginning. So once clipped on to the shirt, this is the audio quality of this mic. Okay, so next, very rarely we also have used this one. So this is the Bluetooth headset, Philips Bluetooth headset. This is we generally do not use it for recording, but in rare cases or in emergency situations, we sometimes in 2 or 3 videos we have used this Bluetooth headset. So this is the audio quality of the Bluetooth headset. The BM800 microphone. This is the BM800 microphone with a phantom power supply. Please let us know which microphone's audio performance you did like, and please let us know in the comments.
Hello viewers, you have been watching us and our hard work for the last 2-3 months, and we have been experimenting with different kind of mics, be it the laptop only mic or
Lavalier mic.
or the lavalier mic, and now we have decided to upgrade our mic, and so we have bought ourselves
the BM800 microphone, condenser microphone. Hopefully you have liked our video on the unboxing of the mic and comparison of audio qualities of the different microphones, and you will let us know about which mic you have liked in the comments, and we will definitely use those mics more often in our upcoming videos. Thank you.
Thank you.